Hi there, please like, comment and subscribe. It would really help the channel. Thank you. Please note that this content provides generic information only. It is in no way a substitute for qualified medical opinion. Always consult a specialist or your doctor for more information. Hypertension or high blood pressure is a condition in which the blood vessels have persistently raised pressure. This is a serious medical condition and can increase the risk of heart, brain, kidney and other diseases if not managed properly. Hypertension is a major cause of premature death worldwide as the disease often goes unnoticed. An estimated 1.28 billion adults aged 30 to 79 years worldwide have hypertension. An estimated 46% of adults with hypertension are unaware that they have the condition. A diet low in sodium and saturated fats can help lower blood pressure. Ways to prevent high blood pressure: reducing salt intake to less than 5 grams daily, eating more fruit and vegetables, being physically active on a regular basis, avoiding use of tobacco, reducing alcohol consumption, limiting the intake of foods high in saturated fats, eliminating or reducing trans fats in diet. Here are the top 10 foods that can help lower your blood pressure. 1. Blackberries. Blackberries, also known as Rubus fruticosus, contain anthocyanin pigments which are high in antioxidants and give the fruit its rich deep purple color. Anthocyanins fight free radical damage in the body and help with the health condition, hypertension. Blackberries are able to lower blood pressure because of the presence of this powerful antioxidant that it contains. These polyphenol compounds found in blackberries have been shown to limit the release of adrenaline, which is released from our adrenal glands when we are stressed out. An excess of adrenaline increases blood pressure, which makes blackberries a remedy for hypertension, headaches and anxiety. Blackberries contain high levels of vitamin K which stop arteries from hardening by preventing plaque buildup. Research has shown that eating a good amount of blackberries can reduce blood pressure and lessen the chance of a heart attack. They are also a great source of vitamin C, which can help your adrenal glands cope with hectic situations. Studies have also shown that blackberries are an excellent superfood for brain health. It is best eaten when freshly picked or within a few days of purchase. Hand-picked, wild berries contain the highest number of antioxidants. They are best bought between August and September to get the freshest produce. The best blackberries are the firm and shiny ones. 2. Bananas. Bananas are an extremely good source of potassium and fiber. Studies show that potassium and fiber-rich diets reduce the risk of stroke and heart disease. Potassium helps manage hypertension by reducing sodium in the body and easing tension in the walls of the blood vessels. Potassium is essential for maintaining blood pressure at healthy levels. To get the best of this fruit, eat it when the skin is yellow with a few brown or black spots and the flesh is ripe. 3. Watermelon. A 2014 study published in the American Journal of Hypertension found that watermelon could significantly reduce blood pressure in overweight individuals both at rest and while under stress. The pressure on the aorta and on the heart decreased after consuming watermelon extract, the small study concludes. This fruit is one of the best sources of L-citrulline, an amino acid that may help maintain healthy blood flow. Watermelon is one of the best foods to help support a healthy blood pressure because it's a naturally sweet treat that doesn't contain added sugars and it is rich in 3 blood pressure supporting nutrients: L-citrulline, lycopene and potassium. L-citrulline specifically helps encourage a healthy blood pressure by producing nitric oxide, a gas that relaxes blood vessels and supports flexibility in arteries. This helps the flow of blood, which may lower high blood pressure. 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are high in nitrates which help manage blood pressure. Also full of antioxidants, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, making them excellent for people with high blood pressure. The high potassium content of leafy greens can counteract the negative effects that sodium has on your blood pressure. Examples of leafy greens include spinach, cabbage, kale and Swiss chard. Leafy greens can be cooked in a meal. You can make a green smoothie or green vegetable juice and drink them raw. However, eating or drinking these raw will give the greatest benefits. 5. Garlic. Garlic, also known as Allium sativum, is a vegetable that has been used to lower blood pressure since ancient times. The main active ingredient in garlic is allicin, which is responsible for its antibiotic and antifungal properties. A 2020 review concludes that garlic can reduce blood pressure, arterial stiffness and cholesterol. Recent research has shown garlic to be as effective as standard blood pressure lowering medications with much fewer side effects. Raw garlic, garlic powder, aged garlic extracts or garlic oil all appear to help lower blood pressure with minimal side effects. 6. Oily fish. Fish oil is a dietary source of omega-3 fatty acids. Our bodies need omega-3 fatty acids for functions like muscle activity and cell growth, among other things. Studies have shown that eating oily fish like salmon, mackerel and sardines can lower your blood pressure. Due to their role in making hormones that regulate blood clotting, inflammation and the contraction and relaxation of artery walls, omega-3s help control blood pressure and prevent heart disease and strokes. A study has found consuming 3 grams of omega-3 fatty acids each day is the optimal dose for people of all ages. That is the equivalent of 120 grams of salmon. The study found that 3 or more grams of omega-3s per day lowered blood pressure in just 10 weeks. 7. Pomegranates. Pomegranates, also known as Punica granatum, help keep blood vessels supple. They are high in dietary fiber and antioxidants. The polyphenol compounds present in the pomegranate, which are responsible for its color, also help keep arteries elastic, so lowering blood pressure and the risk of heart disease and stroke. Researchers have concluded from a recent 2017 study that it may be prudent to include this fruit juice in a heart-healthy diet. To get the best benefits of the fruit, the seeds should be eaten too. 8. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are high in magnesium and potassium, which essentially sweeps excess sodium and fluid out of the body, lowering blood pressure and reducing strain on the heart. Potassium also helps regulate heart rhythm and muscle contractions. Sweet potatoes are also high in fiber. 1 cup PF baked sweet potato provides about 6 grams of fiber, which is more than a quarter of the daily recommended minimum. They won't cause blood sugar or insulin spikes. Sweet potato is also great because of its low sodium and fat content. 9. Oats. Oats, oat bran, and oatmeal contain a specific type of fiber known as beta-glucan, which can quickly help lower unhealthy cholesterol levels. Research shows that oat fiber helps eliminate cholesterol in the digestive tract. Oats are great for people with high blood pressure since they are low in sodium, low in fat and high in fiber. Oats deliver benefits whether eaten raw or cooked. 10. Olive oil. Research has found that consumption of extra virgin olive oil decreases both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. These are both the top and bottom numbers in a blood pressure reading. There is also recent evidence that when olive oil is consumed, the daily dose of drugs needed to control blood pressure in hypertensive patients can be decreased. This is due to the antioxidants called polyphenols present in extra virgin olive, which is completely absent from sunflower oil. It's a great alternative to butter and commercial salad dressings. Olive oil is an example of a healthy fat. Other foods that can lower blood pressure are natural yogurt, nuts, citrus fruits, cinnamon and dark chocolate. Whatever you do, watch the sodium intake and incorporate the above-mentioned foods into your diet and watch your blood pressure come down. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.